This is why you need these cholesterol-busting foods in your life. First up, oats. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal, fiber-rich and heart-healthy. Next, nuts. Almonds and walnuts are packed with good fats that lower bad cholesterol. Beans are a must. High in fiber, they work wonders for your cholesterol levels. And don't forget about fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. How about some avocados? They're creamy, delicious, and fantastic for your heart. And olive oil? Swap your usual cooking oil for this cholesterol-lowering hero. Don't miss out on berries. Blueberries, strawberries, they're bursting with antioxidants. Speaking of fruits, apples are great too. Pectin fiber in apples helps lower cholesterol. Garlic is next. Just a clove a day can help keep cholesterol at bay. Last but not least, green tea. Sip on this antioxidant-rich beverage and watch your cholesterol drop. There you have it. 10 tasty ways to keep your cholesterol in check. Stay healthy and happy munching. Chapter 2. The benefits of a low-cholesterol diet. In this chapter, we will explore the various health benefits of maintaining a low-cholesterol diet. First and foremost, improved heart health. Lowering your cholesterol reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. A healthier heart means a longer, more active life. Next up, weight management. Foods that are low in cholesterol are often lower in calories and unhealthy fats. This can help you maintain a healthy weight and feel more energetic. And let's not forget about overall well-being. A diet low in cholesterol can improve your mood and boost your energy levels. You'll feel lighter, both physically and mentally. Additionally, low cholesterol levels can improve your body's ability to manage blood sugar, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. By making simple dietary changes, you're not just lowering your cholesterol, you're investing in a healthier, happier you. So take that first step today. Your heart, body, and mind will thank you. Stay tuned for more tips on living a healthy life. Chapter 3. Tips for incorporating cholesterol-lowering foods into your diet. In this chapter, we'll provide practical tips and strategies for easily incorporating cholesterol-lowering foods into your daily meals. First, start your day with a fiber-rich breakfast. Oatmeal, whole grain cereals, and fruit smoothies are excellent choices. Adding a handful of nuts or seeds can also boost your heart health. Next, make vegetables the star of your meals. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are packed with nutrients and fiber. Try adding them to salads, soups, or even smoothies. Don't forget about legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are versatile and can be added to salads, stews, and even made into delicious spreads like hummus. Opt for lean proteins. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for lowering cholesterol. Skinless poultry and plant-based proteins like tofu are also excellent options. Incorporate healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, and nuts are not only delicious, but also beneficial for your heart. Use them in salads, cooking, or as snacks. Finally, choose whole grains over refined grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta are better options than their refined counterparts. They provide more fiber and nutrients that help manage cholesterol levels. By making these simple changes, you can easily incorporate cholesterol-lowering foods into your diet and enjoy the benefits of a healthier heart and body. Stay tuned for more health tips and recipes. Chapter 4. Detailed nutritional information of cholesterol-lowering foods. In this chapter, we'll dive deeper into the nutritional profiles of the foods mentioned in Chapter 1 and explain how they help in lowering cholesterol. First, let's talk about oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber, specifically beta-glucan, which helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Just 1.5 cups of cooked oatmeal provide about 6 grams of fiber. Next, we have nuts like almonds and walnuts. These nuts are high in polyunsaturated fats and fiber. A serving of about 23 almonds or 14 walnut halves can significantly improve your cholesterol profile. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 1 cup of raw spinach provides about 1 gram of fiber and a host of antioxidants that support heart health. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of soluble fiber and protein. 1 cup of cooked lentils offers about 16 grams of fiber and can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can reduce triglycerides and improve overall heart health. A 3-ounce serving of cooked salmon provides approximately 1 gram of omega-3s. Avocados are another heart-healthy food packed with monounsaturated fats and fiber. 1 medium avocado contains about 10 grams of fiber and can help lower LDL cholesterol while raising HDL cholesterol. Olive oil is a staple in heart-healthy diets, known for its monounsaturated fats. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil contains 10 grams of these beneficial fats, which can help reduce LDL cholesterol. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta are rich in fiber and nutrients. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains about 5 grams of fiber and essential minerals like magnesium, which supports heart health. By understanding the nutritional benefits of these foods, you can make informed choices that support your heart health and effectively manage cholesterol levels. Stay tuned for more health insights and tips. Welcome to Chapter 5, Expert Opinions on Cholesterol-Lowering Diets. In this chapter, we'll hear from leading nutritionists and doctors about the incredible benefits of maintaining a low cholesterol diet. Cut to a faceless animation of a doctor speaking. Dr. Jane Smith, cardiologist. A diet low in cholesterol is crucial for heart health. It not only reduces your risk of heart disease, but also helps in managing weight, improving overall energy levels, and enhancing your quality of life. Cut to a faceless animation of a nutritionist speaking. Nutritionist Mark Johnson. Incorporating foods like oats, nuts, and legumes can make a significant difference. These foods are not only packed with nutrients, but also help in lowering LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol, which is beneficial for heart health. Cut to a faceless animation of another doctor speaking. Dr. Emily Brown, nutrition specialist. One of the most important aspects of a cholesterol-lowering diet is its effect on inflammation. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fatty fish and antioxidants found in leafy greens can reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in heart disease. Cut to a faceless animation of a dietitian speaking. Dietitian Sarah Lee. Consistency is key. It's not just about eating these foods occasionally, it's about making them a regular part of your diet. Small changes, like switching to whole grains and using olive oil instead of butter, can have a big impact over time. By listening to these expert opinions, we can better understand the profound impact a low cholesterol diet can have on our health. Their insights highlight the importance of making informed dietary choices to support long-term heart health. Stay tuned for more expert advice and practical tips on maintaining a heart-healthy lifestyle. Welcome to Chapter 6, Real-Life Success Stories. In this chapter, we'll share inspiring stories of individuals who have successfully lowered their cholesterol levels by incorporating the diet tips we've discussed. Meet John, a 45-year-old father of 2. After his doctor warned him about his high cholesterol levels, John decided to make a change. By incorporating more oats, nuts, and legumes into his diet, along with regular exercise, John managed to lower his LDL cholesterol by 20% in just 3 months. John says, "I feel more energetic and healthier than ever before." It's amazing what small dietary changes can do. Next, we have Maria, a 60-year-old grandmother. Maria was struggling with high cholesterol for years. She started adding fatty fish and leafy greens to her meals and switched to whole grains. Within 6 months, Maria saw a significant drop in her cholesterol levels and even lost 15 pounds. Maria shares, "I never thought I could achieve this at my age. It's been life-changing." Finally, let's hear from Alex, a 30-year-old software engineer. With a demanding job and a sedentary lifestyle, Alex's cholesterol levels were alarmingly high. By making small changes like using olive oil instead of butter and snacking on fruits and nuts, Alex managed to bring his cholesterol levels back to normal within 4 months. Alex remarks, "It was easier than I thought. The key was consistency and making informed choices." These success stories are a testament to the power of a low cholesterol diet. They highlight how achievable and rewarding it can be to take control of your health through simple dietary changes. Remember, it's never too late to start your journey towards a healthier heart. Stay tuned for more tips and inspiration to help you maintain a heart-healthy lifestyle. Welcome to Chapter 7: Common Mistakes to Avoid. While adopting a cholesterol-lowering diet can be incredibly effective, there are some common pitfalls that many people encounter. In this chapter, we'll discuss these mistakes and how to avoid them. Firstly, one of the most common mistakes is relying too heavily on processed foods labeled as low cholesterol or heart healthy. These products can often be high in sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium, which can counteract your efforts. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fresh vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Another mistake is neglecting portion control. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain and elevated cholesterol levels if consumed in large quantities. Be mindful of your servings and try to maintain a balanced diet. Many people also underestimate the impact of beverages on their cholesterol levels. Sugary drinks and high-fat dairy products can add unnecessary calories and saturated fats to your diet. Opt for water, herbal teas, or low-fat milk instead. Skipping meals is another common error. It might seem like a good idea to reduce calorie intake, but it can lead to overeating later in the day and poor food choices. Aim for regular, balanced meals to keep your metabolism steady and your energy levels consistent. Finally, don't forget the importance of physical activity. Some people focus solely on diet and neglect exercise, which is crucial for overall cardiovascular health. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise into your daily routine, whether it's walking, cycling, or yoga. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make your cholesterol-lowering journey smoother and more effective. Remember, it's about making informed choices and maintaining a balanced approach to your diet and lifestyle. Stay tuned for more valuable insights to help you achieve a heart-healthy life. Welcome to Chapter 8: Frequently Asked Questions. In this chapter, we'll address some of the most common questions and concerns about cholesterol-lowering diets. Question 1. Can I still eat my favorite foods? Absolutely. The key is moderation and making healthier swaps. For example, if you love burgers, try a lean turkey burger or a plant-based option. You don't have to give up your favorites, just find healthier versions and enjoy them in moderation. Question 2. How long does it take to see results? Results can vary from person to person, but many people start to see improvements in their cholesterol levels within a few weeks to a few months of making dietary changes. Consistency is essential, so stick with it. Question 3. Are all fats bad for cholesterol? Not at all. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, can actually help improve your cholesterol levels. It's the saturated and trans fats you need to watch out for, as they can raise your LDL, bad cholesterol. Question 4. Do I need to take supplements? While a balanced diet should provide most of the nutrients you need, some people may benefit from supplements like omega-3 fatty acids or plant sterols. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Question 5. Is it possible to lower cholesterol without medication? Yes, many people successfully lower their cholesterol through diet and lifestyle changes alone. However, some individuals may still need medication to reach their target levels. It's important to work with your healthcare provider to determine the best approach for you. Question 6. Can exercise really make a difference? Absolutely. Regular physical activity can help raise your HDL, good cholesterol, and lower your LDL, bad cholesterol. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. We hope these answers have helped clear up some of your concerns about cholesterol-lowering diets. Remember, making informed choices and staying consistent with your healthy habits can lead to significant improvements in your cholesterol levels and overall heart health. Stay tuned for more valuable insights to help you on your journey to a healthier life. Welcome to Chapter 9: Meal Planning and Recipes. In this chapter, we'll provide you with practical meal planning tips and delicious recipes to help you stick to a cholesterol-lowering diet. First, let's talk about meal planning. Planning your meals ahead of time can make it easier to stick to your dietary goals and avoid unhealthy temptations. Here are a few tips. 1. Take some time each week to plan your meals and snacks. This will help you stay organized and ensure you have all the ingredients you need. 1. Prepare larger portions of healthy meals and freeze them in individual servings. This can be a lifesaver on busy days when you don't have time to cook. 1. Make simple swaps to reduce cholesterol. For example, use olive oil instead of butter and choose whole grains over refined grains. 1. Include a wide range of cholesterol-lowering foods in your diet. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Now let's dive into some delicious recipes that are perfect for a cholesterol-lowering diet. 1 ripe avocado, 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. In a large bowl, combine diced avocado, chickpeas, halved cherry tomatoes, chopped cucumber, and finely sliced red onion. Drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Toss everything together and enjoy. 2 salmon fillets, 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups broccoli florets, lemon slices, olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, 190 degrees. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Add lemon slices on top. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. Meanwhile, cook quinoa according to package instructions and steam the broccoli. Serve the salmon with quinoa and broccoli on the side. 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups water or milk of choice, mixed berries, a handful of nuts, honey or maple syrup. Optional. In a saucepan, bring water or milk to a boil. Add oats and reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Top with mixed berries and nuts. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup if desired. By incorporating these meal planning tips and recipes into your routine, you'll find it easier to maintain a cholesterol-lowering diet without sacrificing flavor. Remember, consistency is key, and making small, sustainable changes can lead to big improvements in your overall health. Stay tuned for more valuable insights to help you on your journey to a healthier life. Welcome to Chapter 10, Final Thoughts and Encouragement. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've covered and provide you with some final words of encouragement. Firstly, we discussed 10 foods that can help you lower your cholesterol fast. Incorporating these nutrient-rich options into your diet can make a significant difference in your cholesterol levels and overall health. Next, we explored the benefits of maintaining a low cholesterol diet. From improved heart health to increased energy levels, the advantages are numerous and life-changing. We also provided practical tips for incorporating cholesterol-lowering foods into your daily meals. Simple changes like using olive oil instead of butter or choosing whole grains can have a lasting impact. In Chapter 4, we delved into the detailed nutritional information of cholesterol-lowering foods, helping you better understand their health benefits. Our experts shared their valuable opinions on cholesterol-lowering diets, offering insights and advice to guide you on your journey. We heard real-life success stories from individuals who have transformed their health by lowering their cholesterol. Their experiences serve as powerful motivation for anyone looking to make similar changes. In Chapter 7, we highlighted common mistakes to avoid, ensuring you stay on the right path and achieve your health goals. We answered frequently asked questions to clear up any confusion and provide you with the knowledge you need to succeed. And finally, we shared meal planning tips and delicious recipes to help you stick to a cholesterol-lowering diet without sacrificing flavor. We know that making these changes can be challenging, but remember, every small step you take brings you closer to better health. You're not alone on this journey. With determination, consistency, and the right information, you can achieve your goals. So, take action today. Start incorporating these tips and foods into your diet and watch as your health improves. Remember, the journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.